Yeah, so we're gonna shoot a tomato with this shotgun. Like that. Didn't explode, a baby just went into it because it sucks. Oh, frick. There we go. This is not doing what I thought it would.
I got tomato juice on me.
Got tomato juice? Hold on. Okay, I'm reloading.
You can see that there's a tomato juice all crap over it. It's like, huh.
Look out. Going to.
That's tomato juice.
Tomato juice is leaking out of it. Isn't that nice? Look at a big glop of tomato juice. Oh, more tomato juice.
I can't tell if this is getting on the camera. Oh well. It looks like a smiley face almost. I don't know.
Not ammo.
Got ammo.
Yeah. This is our tomato.
Wait. It's brightest thing out here.
Nobody cares about it anymore. So everybody's like, screw you. Okay. Thank you for watching this. If you didn't like it, you're gay.